Hey, it's Doug here, Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at a very nice 2006 Honda Nighthawk 250. This is Honda's entry-level cruiser motorcycle. Has a 250cc 2-cylinder engine, carbureted, 5-speed transmission. This is the clean title, California bike. Bike has very low miles, only 4,086 miles on the odometer. This bike runs very nicely. New tires, front and rear. Very low miles, low seat height. User-friendly engine. This bike is a great bike to learn on and priced very attractively at only $24.99 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. Reach out 408-730-0600.